If you want to earn $2,500 just by playing games, you've come to the right spot. Today, I'll show you an app that I recently discovered which you can download for free, which I know you'll enjoy. So stay tuned to find out what the app is and what bonus I have at the conclusion of this video. Now just before we get started, I'd like to say something. If you enjoy my stuff and wish to support me to see more, click on the like button below to show your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to this channel and set on the notifications so you don't miss anything whenever a new video appears. With all that being said, let's get right into the video. In order for me to be able to show you everything, we're going to go through an app that I recently discovered which you would absolutely enjoy, as I've stated in the introduction. Now, in terms of making money online apps, this is one of the best available. As what you have seen in the beginning, I did get money using the aforementioned app. To further verify the app's credibility and that it can genuinely get you paid, I will also show you several reviews, and as I previously stated, I do have a bonus app for all of you who stick around until the end. Without any more delays, let's jump right into it. The app in question is GiftPlay, which can be found at giftplay.io. As previously said, this app simply pays you to play games. We pay you to play free mobile games, earn money, earn rewards, and gift cards. Now, there is one drawback that I must mention. The app is currently only accessible for Google Play and not for iOS. But I anticipate that this will change soon in the future. With that said, one of the things I like about this app is that you don't have to play a game for a certain amount of time before you get paid. Instead, you earn money for every minute you spend playing the game. The more time you play, the more money you will certainly obtain. And let's face it, playing games is something that all of you watching this enjoy doing. It's also a lot more enjoyable than doing surveys or other ways that are tedious and time-consuming to complete and don't pay well. Now, if you scroll down here, guys, you'll see that it says, "Are you searching for an app which pays you to play games?" Introducing GiftPlay, an app that makes it possible to create money and earn gift cards by playing the game with no purchase required and no paying to win. So this is completely free to use. You don't have to pay anything for this app. As you can see, you get paid in coins, which you can then redeem for money. They also have other means for you to get paid, which is by referring people. You can either try it out with some of your friends and family, or talk about how great it is in various making money online groups such as this one, which will allow you to earn a little buck here and there without much effort, which is wonderful. This app will pay you through PayPal, and you can redeem your coins for a PayPal cash out or a wide range of renowned brands gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, and so much more. So you can actually choose among gift cards and PayPal, which is amazing, especially since I know many of you watching this love PayPal. Another thing to note is that there is a large selection of games to pick from in this app, including casual strategy, action, puzzle, adventure, arcade, and so much more. You can play whatever game you like and collect coins as stated right here. With that, the number of games available to people outside of Europe and North America is now restricted, but I expect that to change soon. Anyway, if you go down on their homepage, you can see how this will look on your phone, and it looks wonderful in my opinion, and I'm sure you'll agree. With that said, I'd like to prove you something I guaranteed I'd show you at the start, which is the actual review of this app. You can verify them out for yourself by going to Google Play like I did, and this app has one of the best reviews I've ever seen out there, with a rating of 4 stars and just around 2,000 reviews, which proves more that this app is 100% authentic. As you can see, the majority of people gave it 5 stars, indicating that it does work and that it has paid out huge numbers of people. So go ahead and give it a try. You have nothing to lose, and I promise, you won't be let down. Now, as I stated earlier, I do have a bonus for those of you who would like to make more profits. You can earn money on the next platform I'll show you by doing stuff other than playing games, as what's the case of the previous app. The site in question is called irazoo.com. This website allows you to earn money in a variety of ways. As you can see from the list above, you can download applications, watch videos, complete surveys, which I never advocate, complete offers, and last but not the least, play games to earn money. In return, they will pay you in cash or gift cards. As you've seen right here, they have paid out over $100 million to date. And in case some of you are asking whether or not this is true, you can see here the firms like CNN, Yahoo, the Wall Street Journal, and others are included, which would not be the case if this wasn't legal. Now here's how it works. You first have to sign up for the website, then you gain points by playing games, completing surveys, or anything, and then you decide your rewards. As you can see, they also provide Amazon gift cards, but if you want to get paid in cash, PayPal is also an option. You can learn more about irazoo here, but I'm not going to go over it because I don't want to take up too much of your time. To create an account, first click on join in the upper right corner, then input your email address, first and last names, and password, and then click on create account right here, or simply click on join with Facebook for quicker account creation. If you have decided to make an account by email, you'll need to go to your Gmail account. Your account displays a message that appears to be similar to this, and then select activate your irazoo account. After that, you'll be able to begin making money. So those are the apps that I wanted to show you today. And the one I prefer is the first one because I've tried a lot of apps and that's undoubtedly one of the best that I've seen. And it also got me paid fairly well. However, what I would suggest you to do is to incorporate both of the apps I showed you today. So don't just use irazoo, don't just use GiftPlay, but use both of them to increase your earnings and try to make as much money as possible. Now that will maximize your earnings. If you enjoyed today's video and are enjoying my content, please give it a big thumbs up to support my channel.